Hello everyone, today me and my dad are taking Amtrak Pacific Surfliner from Fullerton, California all the way down to Ventura, California. I hope you follow along with us taking Amtrak's Pacific Surfliner.
So, I don't know. It's hard to see, huh? Are we higher than the freight cars?
Yep.
Wow, we're way higher than the freight cars.
Now we're racing our own train through the top. Oh, just a couple cars. Actually, oh dang it.
There, look.
Look at this, boys.
Oh, nice. From that side of the window so people get a better view. That'd be a pretty big. Where? Those are Chargers. Oh, there's a Dash 8. That's 530, 510.
Amtrak Dash 8.
510.
Oh my god. No way. First time ever seen an Amtrak
There's a
Dash 8.
P42. Are you videoing?
Yep.
This is awesome. A bunch of P42s, 205, 188 we've been on.
Train 112? Dang. Very
You saw Dash 8 510.
yes.
Surfliner.
So Surfliner.
Man, I think that's it. Oh, here's some more.
Whoa.
They're working on them.
I think one of those should be the Coast Starlight. Wait, 201's 169. Another Dash 8.
Where?
Right here. Oh, 509.
Like he said, 509. That's the same paint job you have.
And 503.
And 503. Man, this
Oh,
guy's,
dang.
this guy's right on the money. That guy knew, huh?
Yeah. Where are we coming?
Coming out of the yard, I think we are.
Right here's the end of the yard. Oh.
Oh, Dash 8s. Metrolink Dash 8s. P40s.
Coming in to the station.
Plan on moving seats, please take that little seat check, that little piece of paper with your destination written on it. Take that with you to your new seat. Put it above your seat, thank you.
Whoa.
This helps the conductors getting on, know where you are getting off. And it shows that your ticket has already been checked. So please take that little seat check with you folks if you do change seats.
Aiden, we gotta keep
Thank you.
these. Hey, wait, save your video because we'll get down and walk around for a sec.
Los Angeles Union Station.
Tell me.
So we have just arrived in Los Angeles Union Station. This is what it looks like. Our train. So this other Amtrak train is the one that's ready to leave. Right there ahead of us.